Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the fuse box is located on this 2010 Dodge Caliber. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. So the first thing we need to do is pop our hood. You can pop your hood by pushing over on this lever here. Prop rod goes right there. Now that we're under the hood, this is the fuse box right here. So you open the fuse box by pushing in on these two tabs right here, and then lift and pull back, and it pops open right there. You're going to want an owner's manual to be able to see which fuse is which, but you can see the numbered diagram on the back side of here, and then you'll be able to look and see which fuses are numbered there, and look in your manual and see which fuse is which. I will have fuses linked down in the description below where you can get those online. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.